The European Commission is calling on several Schengen countries to remove temporary border checks and restore free movement across Europe. But what could their removal mean for travelers and the future of the Schengen area?
But first, we want to thank you for joining us. Find us on all the other social media channels. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click that bell to get notified when we release a new video. We also appreciate your likes and comments below, as it helps to support our channel. Oh, and don't forget to check out our website at immigrationandmigration.com. This video is brought to you by IAM. We believe that travel improves and inspires you and the people around you. We help you travel by providing services which overcome barriers and frameworks that simplify and enrich your experience. We just happen to be immigration lawyers. So reach out to your IAM visa coordinator when you're ready for your adventure, or already on one and would like some assistance.
The European Commission has called on several Schengen member states to begin phasing out temporary internal border controls and work towards restoring one of the European Union's most important achievements, free movement across the Schengen area. In a series of opinions published in June 2026, the Commission recommended that 9 countries gradually lift internal border checks that have remained in place for extended periods, arguing that alternative security measures are now available and that prolonged controls risk undermining the integrity of the Schengen system. The Commission's recommendations apply to 9 Schengen countries that have maintained internal border checks for prolonged periods. Among those highlighted are Germany, France, the Netherlands, Austria, Denmark, Sweden, Norway, Slovenia, Italy. The Commission has encouraged these governments to develop plans for gradually ending controls while maintaining effective security measures. No. The Commission's opinions are recommendations rather than legally binding orders. Individual governments will continue to make their own decisions based on national security assessments. However, Brussels is clearly signaling that internal border controls should not become a permanent feature of the Schengen area and that member states should prepare for a gradual return to normal free movement arrangements. The European Commission's latest intervention represents one of the strongest calls in recent years for a return to the core principles of the Schengen area. Have border checks ever delayed your travel in Europe? Talk to us in the comments section below. If you have plans to travel, check out the deals we have found in the description box below. If you need assistance with a visa to Europe, the UK, or the US, including help with securing your travel arrangements, IAM can help. For visa advice, contact your IAM visa coordinator.
If you'd like to get more info on travel, visas, immigration, and citizenship, head over to immigrationandmigration.com for more free content. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for more travel and visa updates.